Hello, I'm Dr. Sindhu, one of treating doctor here today. May I confirm your good name, please? Nice to meet you, Mr. Kavi. May I know what brings you here today? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Tell me more. I'm very sorry to hear about that, Mr. Kavi, and I understand that how painful situation would be for you. But to better understand your condition, I need to ask you a few questions. Is it okay with you? Thanks for your cooperation, Mr. Kavi. Can you tell me, Mr. Kavi, how it is started? Mm-hmm. When? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. And since how many days? Mm-hmm. Okay. If the pain is sudden or gradual? Mm-hmm. Okay. If there is any previous episode of severe self-limiting pain? Mm-hmm. May I know the nature of pain? If it is burning type or stepping? Mm-hmm. Okay. And if there are any associated symptoms like nausea, vomiting, do you have any fever? If there is any chills along with that? Mm-hmm. Okay. And Mr. And Kavi, and do you have a urinary frequency? Mm-hmm. Okay. And how about your urine output? If it is adequate or it has decreased? Mm-hmm. Have you noticed urinary retention that you cannot, you feel like your bladder is full, but you feel difficulty to urinate? Mm-hmm. All right, Mr. Kavi, may I know the color of urine? Mm-hmm. Have you noticed any blood in urine? Uh-huh. Okay, have you, do you have to urinate more at night time? Mm-hmm. Have you experienced pain while passing urine? If you are married, do you have children? Mm-hmm. All right. Uh-huh. Okay, Mr. Kavi. Um, um, uh, how about your bowel habits? Okay. Have you experienced any perianal pain? Feel rectal pain and pressure? Mm-hmm. If there is any back pain along with that? Do you feel lethargic, fatigue all the time? If there is any history of trauma? Mm-hmm. Okay, Mr. Kavi, have you noticed any rash or blisters that are painful around the perianal area? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mr. Kavi, do you have history of recurrent urinary tract infections? Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. Mr. Kavi, I'll ask few more personal questions, okay, to better understand. But let me reassure you that the conversation will remain confidential between you and me. Is it okay with you? Thanks for your cooperation, Mr. Kavi. So, may I know if there are any extramarital affairs besides your marriage? Mm-hmm. Do you practice safe? Mm-hmm. Have you noticed any discharge coming from front passage? Mm-hmm. Have you noticed that you have painful ejaculation? Mm-hmm. And have you traveled recently? Mm-hmm. What do you do for a living? Okay, how's everything at workplace? And how's everything at home? And do you smoke? How much cigarettes per day? Have you ever tried to acquire this habit? Mm-hmm. I really appreciate it. We'll talk in detail in next appointment how it sounds to you, Mr. Kavi. Mm-hmm. All right, Mr. Kavi, and do you drink alcohol? Mm-hmm. Okay, and do you have high blood pressure, high blood sugar? Do you have any viral infection? Mm-hmm. If there is any history of prostate surgery, if there is an immediate family member suffering from prostate disease, If you are taking any medication prescribed by doctor or over the counter, do you have any allergies? How about your sleep pattern, Mr. Kavi? All right. Okay, Mr. Kavi. So I would like to examine you, okay, to better understand. And please ensure that you are comfortable and ready for examination, as I have to do examination of your private parts as well, if it makes sense to you, Mr. Kavi. All right, Mr. Kavi. And so if you undergone any examination so far, may I know the results? Okay, prostate tender, swelling, and warmth. Okay, and there was suprapubic tenderness and weakness. All right, Mr. Kavi. And so if you are undergone any investigation so far along with that? Okay, Mr. Kavi. So I'll offer some blood test, okay, and that is urine analysis and culture, and blood culture, okay, and along with that, may I know when did examination was done? Okay, 3 days ago. Okay, so I'm offering prostate specific antigen, okay, as well, okay, and along with it, I'm advising ultrasound prostate. Is it convenient for you? All right, Mr. Kavi. So along with it, I'll encourage you to follow some lifestyle modification. So I'll encourage to take increase fluid, okay, and take healthy diet, okay, and take fruits like pomegranate, okay, and I'll encourage you to maintain good hygiene, wash hands before and after using washroom, and limit number of partners, okay, and use condoms, okay, and do exercise, okay, and along with that, I'm offering a tablet paracetamol, okay, 50 mg for a pen. Okay, you have to take it 3 times a day, okay, and besides that, I'm offering a tablet ciprofloxacin 500 mg, okay, you have to take it 3 times a day, okay, if it is clear till now. Yes, Mr. Kavi, for 14 days, okay. But if you feel that it is not subsiding despite this treatment, okay, you feel urinary retention, okay, and inability to pass urine, okay, then there is option of catheterization, okay. I can catheterize you, okay. And besides that, I'm referring you to urologist for expert opinion as well. How it sounds to you, Mr. Kavi? Yes, Mr. Kavi. You need not to be worried. I'll be here. Okay, I'll try best of my abilities and to solve your problem. Okay, and besides that, I'd like to schedule a follow-up appointment. Okay, to review your progress and discuss test results. How it sounds to you, Mr. Kavi? If there is anything else you want to discuss with me today. All right, Mr. Kavi, here is a leaflet. It includes all the information regarding your condition. Okay, I hope it will be helpful for you. Take good care of yourself. I wish you healthy life. Bye-bye.